the engagement messenger troubleshooting that I did, I faced issues related to third-party cookies and how did I come out of that problem. I'll try to demonstrate. So this is my website, ROYAAM.in. I have placed engagement messenger for demonstration purpose. I placed the code which is a part of the installation of engagement messenger. You get it from here. Place the code in the footer so that it appears in every pages. So these all are basic implementation steps. You'll get it in ServiceNow, well documented here, how to install the engagement messenger, configure engagement messenger, all these things, right? So I simply followed all these steps to get it up and running in my website. So now the issue that I have faced is this. So when I launch engagement messenger here, it's fine up to this. If I start a chat, I'm invoking virtual agent from here. It takes a long time. So some failures are happening in background that I'll show in a bit. Now virtual agent is responding. If I click on this text about the company, I should get a response with a link about the company, but it says login session has expired. So this keeps on repeating. Okay. So now how did I troubleshoot this? So if I show you the problem statement here, right, when you launch engagement messenger, let me refresh this page. So now see here the first failure, conversation active user underscore EM. So this is the API being called here. This is the API. So this is the first failure which is happening for internal server error. Okay, basically what it is missing the cookies of that particular session, which is being dropped by that browser, which is Chrome is dropping that particular cookie which it is looking for. So if I show you the conversation active EM, this API, what it is basically looking for a guest user session cookie. Okay, I have placed a logger here to show you what exactly we are receiving. So now if I see the active user, the same logger is reporting active user null cookies, right? So these cookies are being dropped, right? Same thing happened for the CS message API, which is basically called when I click on the virtual agent response. Now virtual agent is responding. Now if I click on about the company, so now this cookie, this particular cookie, as I know this, so I can directly go to this CS message. It took a long time to figure out which is API being called and then what exactly it is doing. Hopefully it will help you to troubleshoot faster. So now this is 403 forbidden, same API CS message, CS message. If I see what exactly it is doing, it is again looking for a guest session identifier, this cookie. Now I have placed another logger here, got the cookie in CS message. So if I see the log entries, got the cookie in CS message, all are being reported as null. right? So the quick fix, although ServiceNow has a fix here, which I have kept open for saving time. So this enable engagement messenger on a website when we have a third-party application cookies being blocked by the browser. So ServiceNow has recommended to add a CNAME entry in your website, okay, so that the requests appear to be coming from the same origin, right? But I have figured out something else. So I have opened the settings of Chrome and then add my website details here to allow third-party cookies, right? Here basically this is the cookie setting in privacy and security of Chrome, where it is blocking all the third-party cookies and I am allowing my site to be passed, right? So now I will reload this page and I will again launch the engagement messenger, right? So this active session, active user EM has passed now. If you see 200, okay. Now if you see the cookies, there has been a lot of cookie which has reported. Now if we see the logs for that same active user EM, now we got a cookie back, right? There should be some session cookie also coming in. Let's wait for that. Meantime, if I, so these are being passed now, 200, okay. And if I launch the virtual agent and start a chat, I will invoke the virtual agent, and now the response is much faster because there is no more, actually no failure. Yeah. Now, if I click on about the company, I will get a response back from the virtual agent, right? So this is what I am expecting. This is what is expected behavior, right? So virtual agent design completes here. Okay. Now, if I see the CS message API, which is again getting triggered. Now, if you see this guest session identifier, this cookie, what it was looking for in the API piece of code, if you remember. So this guest session identifier has been reported, right? CS message has been passed, 200, okay. Logs should be also reported. Guest session identifier cookies. Yeah, so this is a simple solution. If you don't want to enable CNAME and all, this is a lengthy procedure. So quickly you can get to this solution. Thank you very much.